Good day everyone, especially to Ma'am Garcia. We are Gupte and we will present about the topic. The topic is mathematics helps control nature and occurrences in the world, and there is some of type occurrences we will discuss.
Good day, I'm Diana Rosan Manaventura, and today I will explain the climate change and how we can help to stop climate change. Climate change. Climate change is a long-term shift in global or regional climate patterns. Often climate change refers specifically to the rise in global temperatures from the mid-20th century to present. How we can stop climate change? There are 6 things that we can do. First, recycle. Second, make your commute green. Third, be conservative with energy usage. Fourth, get active and vote. Fifth, educate yourself and others. And the sixth, encourage the use of renewable energies. And now, here's my partner, Jeric Santa Maria, to explain the connection of mathematics in climate change. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. San Benaventura. Hi, I'm here to discuss to you how we're gonna use mathematics to control and to help our nature. I think the most accurate way to use mathematics to climate change is the statistics. We should be aware of the statistics because of this, we will be able to control or to know what we're gonna do or what is needed to be done for us to have a safer environment. Here's the example, and from the example, it shows that climate change is getting worse and worse. And if we don't do anything about it, it may be too late. That's why you should be aware of the statistics. Because of this, we'll be able to know and be able to respond for what we're gonna do to save our planet. That's all. Thank you.
Good day, I'm Gabriel Pastor Pino, and I'm here to discuss some endangered species like crocodile that will extinct soon. The Environment Ministry says that the crocodile are critically endangered and there's only less than 100 in the Philippines due to loss of habitat as a result of human population and extension. Male saltwater crocodile have a length of 23 feet and weighs of 1,000 kg. Female are much smaller that lengths 10 feet and weighing 150 kg. Advantage and disadvantage of the crocodiles. This had been seen as a major role to ensure rivers are functioning smoothly. There's a kind of crocodile that can be very dangerous and it's called saltwater and nailed crocodile. It already kills 100 of people.
Thank you, Pastor Pido. My name is Christian Santos. By the help of pie graph, we can analyze what man has the highest number of crocodiles death. In this case, as we learn about the reason behind the highest death of crocodile, we are now aware what should we avoid for the sake of crocodiles in their lives. As you can see, the August has the highest death among others. Therefore, we should always think about crocodiles' life by not disturbing their habitats and let them live peacefully. Para po sa akin, parang maagapan po yung mga pagkapatay po nila. Pabayaan lang po natin sila sa habitats po nila para ma-preserve po yung dami po nila at mas lalo pa po sila dumami para hindi po sila maubos. Ayun lamang po. Thank you.
Good day. The occurrences we will discuss today is about pollution. Pollution is become severe in the city. The air pollution is a complex problem. It covers the pollutant transportation and diffusion in the atmosphere. The pollutant dispersion depends on the atmosphere, meteorological, emission, and terrain problem. Physical and mathematical models are developed to describe the air pollution dispersion. Physical models are small-scale representation in atmosphere flow carried out in the tunnel. Mathematical models are divided into statistical and deterministic models. The statistics are based on analysis of monitoring air quality data, while deterministics are based on a mathematical description of physical and chemical process taking place in atmosphere. The advantage of math in pollution. It defined the air pollution, identified some of the causes, and explained why it is a problem. And also, explained that man-made objects, materials, and systems can have an effect on the natural environment. Interpret and analyze the data represented in the simple graphic organizer. Math, it compares the whole number using terms fewer than, greater than, and equal to. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Vasquez. Hi, I'm here to discuss how math helps nature. Mathematics problems involving basic computation, percent, ratio, table, circle, chart, and graph are used to illustrate environmental issues such as pollution growth, wastefulness, resource scarcity, air and water pollution, and electrical energy demand. These are the examples: air pollution, water pollution, soil contamination, and noise pollution. If we don't do something, our breathing air is so harmful, and we don't resolve the floods. That's all. Thank you.
And that is end of our report. Thank you for sharing your thoughts and ideas on how mathematics help control nature and occurrences in the world. They have three given examples. The first one is endangered species, the second one is global warming, and the last one is pollution. We learned that mathematics can be used to explain how something occurs, how nature will be involved in a period of time, which helps us to be aware of what we'll be needing to do in the future. That's all, everyone. Have a nice day.